Hey, Rob again with a little Spark 342 Ultra.